What if one living organism could reproduce all by itself? Asexual reproduction is a process where only one parent produces offspring. The offspring are genetically identical to the parent. These identical copies are called daughter cells. In this video, we will explore three important types of asexual reproduction: binary fission, multiple fission, and budding. Binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction in which a single parent cell divides into two identical daughter cells. First, the genetic material of the parent cell replicates. The cell then divides, distributing one copy of DNA to each daughter cell. Amoeba divides in any plane due to its irregular shape, a process known as simple binary fission. Paramecium divides by transverse binary fission. Euglena divides by longitudinal binary fission. Amoeba stops the formation of pseudopodia and thereby movements whenever there is lack of food or any other type of adverse condition. The amoeba becomes rounded and forms a protective covering around its plasma membrane. Such encysted amoeba is called a cyst. Many nuclei are formed by repeated nuclear divisions in the cyst. It is followed by cytoplasmic division, and thus, many amoebulas are formed. They remain encysted till there are adverse conditions. Cyst breaks open on arrival of favorable conditions and many amoebulas are released.